Hello everyone, welcome to sqadia.com. My name is Saima Mushtaq and our today's topic of internal medicine is head and neck cancer. We will cover our today's lecture topic in 4 sections. In the first section, we will talk about the etiology and classification of head and neck cancer, and also what's the incidence and epidemiology and how we classify the head and neck cancer. In the second section, we will talk about the histopathology, carcinogenesis, how these cancers or carcinomas develop. So carcinogenesis, and also molecular pathology of the head and neck cancer. In the third section, then we will discuss what's the clinical presentations, how these tumors they present, how we should differentiate these tumors with some other common disorders. So what's the differential diagnosis of head and neck cancer, and also how we should approach to the patient with head and neck cancer. Then in the fourth and final section, we will talk about some treatment options for head and neck tumor. What are the complications of head and neck cancer, and also we will talk about the salivary gland tumors. So all these topics will be covered in our today's lecture, head and neck cancer. To keep watching sqadia.com to learn about our topic.